Hello everyone and welcome to this training series brought to you by 3D Buzz. My name is Steve Curtis and I'll be your instructor today. Today we will be creating 2D artwork for games for non-artists. Basically, if you're a programmer or you're just new to creating games and you really don't have any art experience, we're going to walk you through how to make 2D art, and I'll be using Photoshop, but everything I do should be applicable in something like GIMP or anything like that. Basically, what we're going to do is show you how to use the procedural tools in digital art creation sets that will allow you to make all sorts of art, and we'll be going through basically everything that's in our first level, including our background mountains, how to create earth, rocks, how to do grass transparencies, how to create trees with some very nice curves and shading without having to be able to draw a nice curved line, how to create a character, and how that would flesh out into an entire 2D level. I hope you really enjoyed this series, and if you have any questions, by all means stop by the forums on 3D Buzz, register, and ask away, and we'll do everything we can to help you out. Take care, I'll see you in the next video.